Are you tired of the endless paperwork, the confusing requirements, and the agonizing wait that often comes with planning a trip abroad? Don't let the frustration of visa applications hold you back from your travel dreams. The world is a vast, beautiful book, and it's meant to be read, explored, and experienced. What if I told you that the key to unlocking many of its most incredible chapters is already in your hands, waiting to be used? If you have a Haitian passport, your next great adventure could be just a flight away, with no consular appointments or lengthy processing times required. This passport is more than just a document. It's a gateway to discovery, a symbol of heritage, and your ticket to creating lifelong memories in destinations you might have thought were out of reach. Did you know that as a Haitian passport holder, you have the privilege of traveling to numerous countries and territories completely visa-free, or with a simple visa on arrival? That's right. We're talking about the ability to spontaneously book a trip and go. In this guide, we're going to explore these incredible destinations in detail, from the sun-drenched beaches of the Caribbean to the bustling megacities of Asia. So, get your notepad ready, because your travel bucket list is about to get a whole lot longer. Let's begin our journey in the Caribbean with the stunning island of Barbados. Famous for its powdery beaches, turquoise waters, and the warm hospitality of the Bajan people, this is a slice of paradise. For Haitian citizens, this isn't just a dream. It's a reality with an incredibly generous visa-free stay of up to 6 months. Imagine yourself spending a Friday night at the legendary Oyston's Fish Fry, savoring freshly grilled seafood while swaying to calypso music. You can explore the historic capital, Bridgetown, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, discover the underground wonders of Harrison's Cave, or simply find a quiet spot on Crane Beach and let the world melt away. With 6 months at your disposal, you can truly immerse yourself in the island's rhythm and culture. From one island jewel to another, let's journey to the heart of reggae, Jamaica. This nation pulses with a vibrant energy that's impossible to resist. Haitian passport holders can typically enjoy up to 30 days of visa-free access to explore its diverse landscapes and rich culture. Of course, you can relax on the world-famous 7 Mile Beach in Negril, but Jamaica offers so much more. Challenge yourself by climbing the magnificent Dunn's River Falls. Go hiking in the cool, misty blue mountains, home to some of the world's best coffee. Or dive into the history of a global music revolution at the Bob Marley Museum in Kingston. And let's not forget the food. From spicy jerk chicken sizzling on a roadside grill to a hearty plate of ackee and saltfish, your taste buds are in for a treat. Next, we sail to the breathtaking archipelago of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. This collection of 32 islands and cays is a sailor's paradise and a nature lover's dream. With up to 90 days of visa-free entry, you have ample time to explore its stunning beaches and volcanic landscapes. The crown jewel is the Tobago Cays Marine Park, a protected area of vibrant coral reefs where you can snorkel and swim alongside majestic sea turtles. For the adventurous, a guided hike up the La Soufriere volcano on the main island of St. Vincent offers panoramic views that are well worth the effort. Or you can simply island hop through the Grenadines, discovering the unique charm of each secluded bay and luxurious hideaway. Prefer somewhere a bit different, where nature takes center stage? Let's head to a place that truly lives up to its nickname, Dominica, the nature isle of the Caribbean. This isn't your typical beach destination. It's an eco-adventurer's paradise, covered in lush rainforests with 365 rivers and countless waterfalls. Haitian citizens can explore this pristine wilderness for up to 6 months without a visa. Here, you can trek to the world's second-largest boiling lake, a truly primordial experience. You can hike segments of the Waitukubuli National Trail, the Caribbean's first long-distance walking trail, or rejuvenate your body and soul in the therapeutic hot springs. Dominica is a testament to the raw, untamed beauty of our planet. Now for something completely different. Let's cross over to the South American continent, to the incredible nation of Suriname. Bordered by Brazil, Guyana, and French Guiana, it's a cultural melting pot with a landscape dominated by Amazonian rainforest. Haitian travelers can enter for up to 90 days visa-free. The capital, Paramaribo, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, where Dutch colonial architecture stands alongside mosques and synagogues, reflecting the country's incredible diversity. You can venture into the interior to explore the Central Suriname Nature Reserve, a vast expanse of pristine rainforest teeming with wildlife like jaguars, monkeys, and giant river otters. It's a destination that offers a profound connection to both nature and a fascinating blend of cultures. Feeling adventurous enough to venture across the globe? Let's fly to Southeast Asia, where more incredible visa-free opportunities await. Our first stop, the Philippines, an archipelago of over 7,000 islands. Haitian passport holders are granted 30 days of visa-free entry to discover this nation known for its overwhelmingly friendly people and dramatic natural beauty. Think of Palawan, often voted the most beautiful island in the world, with its hidden lagoons and towering limestone cliffs. You can surf the waves in Siargao, see the iconic chocolate hills in Bohol, or dive into the vibrant, chaotic energy of the capital, Manila. The Philippines offers an adventure that is as warm and welcoming as its people. Just a short flight away is another Southeast Asian gem, Malaysia. This is a country of contrasts, where futuristic skyscrapers meet ancient rainforests. It's another fantastic destination offering 30 days of visa-free travel for Haitians. Start in the capital, Kuala Lumpur, and gaze up at the iconic Petronas Towers. Then, escape to the historic streets of Penang, a food lover's paradise where you can sample some of the best street food in the world. For a true wildlife adventure, head to the island of Borneo to see orangutans in their natural habitat and explore some of the oldest rainforests on Earth. Malaysia is a vibrant fusion of Malay, Chinese, and Indian cultures, offering a feast for all the senses. Now, what about those places that aren't quite visa-free but are still incredibly accessible? Let's talk about visa on arrival. This means you don't need to apply for a visa beforehand. Instead, you get it issued when you land at the airport in your destination country. A prime example is the dazzling city-state of Singapore. While it's not a visa-free arrangement, Haitian citizens can often obtain a visa upon arrival, allowing for a short stay. This opens the door to a world of futuristic architecture, lush green spaces, and a legendary food scene. You can wander through the spectacular gardens by the bay, take in the panoramic city views from the top of Marina Bay Sands, and eat your way through countless hawker centers. It's a perfect high-impact stopover or a short, exciting city break. Feeling inspired? Before you rush to book that flight, let's run through a crucial pre-travel checklist. Visa-free doesn't mean document-free. First, check your passport. Most countries require it to be valid for at least 6 months from your date of entry. Second, and this is the most important rule, rules can change. Always verify the current entry requirements on the official embassy or immigration website of your destination country before you book anything. Third, you will almost always need proof of a return or onward ticket. Fourth, have your accommodation details ready, like a hotel booking confirmation. Fifth, be prepared to show proof of sufficient funds for your stay. And finally, always travel with comprehensive travel insurance. A little preparation ensures a smooth and stress-free journey. From the turquoise waters of the Caribbean to the bustling metropolises of Asia, your Haitian passport opens more doors than you might think. It's a powerful tool for exploration, connection, and personal growth. Travel challenges us, inspires us, and reminds us of the incredible diversity and beauty our world has to offer. Your Haitian passport is more than just a travel document. It's a testament to your identity and a key to a world of experiences. The question is no longer you can travel, but you will go next. Will it be the rhythms of Jamaica, the nature of Dominica, or the flavors of Malaysia? We want to hear from you. Drop your dream visa-free destination in the comments below. Let's share our aspirations and get inspired for the next great adventure.